देव बरें करून म्हाका तुमी इतलो हे दिलो म्हणून हांगा आपोवन आनी तशें आमचे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मायकेल बाबू सदांच म्हाज्या फाटल्यान सदांच उबो आसता केन्नाय कितेंय रावता कितें जावं सो देव एका चडान चड देव बरें करून म्हणटा. आनी हांव आयज खूब खोशी तुमकां पळोवन की म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्याकून चड खोशी तुमी आमी कितें हाडलें म्हणून सकरान. सो म्हाका अशें दिसता तुमकां सगळ्यांक पळोवन की आनी फुडें फुडें खेळत रावपाचें आनी हाडीत रावपाचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी म्हाका अशें दिसता म्हाका नेक्स्ट स्टेप आतां नॅशनलाक वचूंक सोदता फक्त तुमकां पळोवन की तुमी म्हाका इतली उमेद हाडली पळोवनूच. सो थँक यू वेरी मच.
We want to congratulate our own Porrikar, youth from Parra, Mr. Nandesh Shivram Raikar, and we want to congratulate him for 2 different crowns what he has brought for this village. तेजी फिटनेस पळयत जाल्यार पिक्चराचेर आनी फुडल्यान हांवें सांगलें ताका शर्ट काडूंक जाय म्हणून ते सगळ्यांक कळना तूच म्हणून तो. सो I met him nearly 1 year back and he started telling me I'm going to go for the championship in Goa and I am confident that I'll win the tournament. And I just laughed about it. I just said, I thought he was joking because he is so busy in his work. I said, when this boy will have time. And because it requires so much of dedication, hard work, sacrifice in terms of food. आमी सगळे जेत आसता दनपारां बिर्याणी रातचे आनी कितें उकडे तांदूळ आनी फिश करी. पण म्हाका दिसता नंदेशान हे सगळें 6 म्हयने तरी सॅक्रिफायस केला आनी तेजे सारके लिमिटेड डायट घेवन तेणी इतली प्रॅक्टीस केल्या आनी तेजी बॉडी बिल्ड केल्या की तो आयज कालूच जो टुर्नामेंट जालो म्हापसा तितून ताका फर्स्ट प्राइज मेळ्ळो. Secondly, in Sanklim, he also won over there, the championship. It's not so easy for an individual without having any backing. So there's a club now of bodybuilding. He on his own took the decision that he will do this on his own capacity. It requires a lot of commitment, also money. तेका फायनान्सूय खूब लागता. जे तेजे डायट आसता, डायटिशियन आसता, जे तेणे जेवण हाडचें पडटा स्पेशल. म्हाका दिसता हे सगळें करपाक इतलें इजी न्हू आनी इतली सॅक्रिफायस करून फायनली रिजल्ट he got it and we were very very happy. Parra is proud of him, Goa is proud of him, and we are going to wait that he will participate all India level and all of us from Parra village will come. आम्ही बस करून येतले 1 न 2 बसी करूया कोण येवंक सोदता खंयसरी आसूं दे. Whether it is in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, we have thing आमी येतले पळोवपाक. We'll take a charter flight also. But we want to see you win over there, and we wish you all the best in the future. Badminton म्हाका दिसता गेमी आख्खे गोंयान जबरश्यो जायना. Though it is a very simple game, it requires very small space. कोणाचे गार्डनान कोट करूंक जाता. But it requires a lot of hard work, dedication. And we have Shivram Parsekar over here and his brother and his entire family supporting for this cause. he has made so many small players over here, right from the age of 4 to 15 to 18 to 21, even veterans from Parra who used to play started playing back again. And this tournament, when he organizes, it is for all Goa, it's open for all Goa in different categories, including veterans. And a platform is given for the youth, for the very, very youngsters, for the youth as well as veterans to come and play over here. And then finally, whoever wins is their luck and hard work. I feel that this type of badminton courts should come up at least in Parra village. We should have at least 2 of this. And in other villages, they should have at least 2 or 3, whichever are big villages. Like Kalangut should have at least 4. And youth should be brought over there. And for that we require dedicated people, dedicated sport lovers like Shivram and other boys who are involved in badminton, cricket, football. We have football in a very big way in Kandalim. We have football in a very big way in Kalangut also. We have in Nagwa Arpara also. But badminton, volleyball and all the other games are lacking. We welcome Blaise Fernandez, the Sarpanch of Kandalim, our ex-Sarpanch Fermino, Deputy Sarpanch Ophelia. They are also supporting sports in a very big way. Whether it is football, whether it is volleyball, whether it is cricket. And I think we require young leaders who are dedicated for sports. And if you want to see that our Goan sportsmen participate in nationals and internationally, we have to catch them young. And that's the age where these boys and girls are studying over here, and some of them who are going to be coming here to play. That's the age which we have to catch them young. Right at the age of 4, 5, for badminton, for football, even for other games like volleyball, chess, including chess. We need to have all these facilities. And for that, whatever needs to be done, whether it is a clubhouse, a Parra clubhouse, Arpara Nagwa clubhouse, Kalangut clubhouse, ये करिस्ता गुर्जेची एकदम गुर्जेची गजाली means we have to give these facilities to our youth, the generation next. इतली वर्षा जांगना, पण या फुडे तो म्हाका दिसता ही क्लब हाऊसा जावपाची गरज हा भितर सगळे इंडोर गेम्स including swimming, diving and long distance means व्हडल्या पुलान डाइव करप आणि स्विमिंगाचे पासून हे सगळे वस्तू आम्ही विलेज लेवलाचेर दिवपाची गरज आहे. आज आमचे कडेन बार्देजान म्हापसा आहा, आमकां पणजे वयचें पडटा, वानी वयचें पडटा. म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंटान जे फॅसिलिटी केल्या ते तालुका लेवलाचेर केल्या. ह्यो विलेज लेवलाचेर हाडीत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खुबशे भुरगे, boys and girls, will go on daily basis to practice and they will become sportsmen, sports girls at a very, very young age. Means they will start right from 4 to 5 years old. And so your facility fude korpak, we have to start planning it today. And I have very dedicated team with us, team of Kandulim, the Panchayat members, team of Kalangut, Arpara Nagwa and Parra, who will support me to identify lands, to identify parcels of properties where we can set up these sports facilities for our generation next. I thank Shivram Parsekar and the entire team who have organized this tournament. Organize करपाक इतले easy ना. प्रदीप पार्सेकर सपोर्ट केला ताका, आरंभोलकर हांगा सगळे नांवां घेयना कोणाची. मोरजकर, आमचो प्रोफेसर, he always comes over here, whatever event we does, आणि त्याची आखी टीम हा पारा सिटीजन्स असोसिएशनाची टीम हा तांकां सपोर्ट करता वेरियस ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. म्हाका दिसता ह्यो ऍक्टिव्हिटी आमी चालूच दवरपाक जाय विलेज लेवलाचेर आनी भुरग्यांक लागीं करून हाडून तांकां ऍक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व करपाक जाय. Whether it is badminton, whether it is volleyball or any other tournaments, every second month we have to organize something and keep the boys and girls busy. Thank you very much.
Set service 6-2. Reservice. Set service 7-2. Service 3.
Full on.
Set service 4.
Tracking space now. Walk like a look. 5. Long.
Set service 6.
She's looking more confident in the second set. Wonderful.
All the members of the Gram Panchayat, ZPs, and all the guests over here. फाटले एटलीस्ट 15 दीस जाले हो टुर्नामेंट हांव विटनस करता. म्हाज्या कडेन एक 7-8 जाण, एक 10 जाण कंटिन्युअस आमी हांगा आसताले. हे भुरगे पळय तोंड हे सायडीक करून पळयतात. फॅमिलियर वय एवरी डे हांगा येवप. एक 4 दीस पयलो हांव येयलो ना, पूण तेच्या उपरांत म्हाका शिवराम म्हणालो तूं खंय येयना सो हांवें म्हणलें येता रे बाबा येता. एक दीस येवन बसलो हांगा सहज आनी त्या दिसांनी पिसोच जालो. हांव पयलो येवन बसतालो हांगा टुर्नामेंट स्टार्ट जावचे पयलीं. शिवराम कितक्यांक रे 7:00 7:30 स्टार्ट जाताले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल खुबशे अशे पॉयंटाचेर उलोवंक शकता. मेन म्हणजे जेन्ना येयलो कोणी हांगा येतकूच हांवें एक थोडे फोटो घातले स्टेटस वॉट्सॅपाचेर. ग्रावंड जेन्ना हो ग्रावंड स्टेटसाचेर कोणी पयलो तुमी खंय रे हो ग्रावंड काय म्हणून. इतको ग्रावंड बरो, इतके तेचे ऑर्गनायझींग कमिटी तेची बरी, हे सगळे भुरगे जे समोर दिसतात ते इतके जीव मारून काम करताले. मॅच स्टार्ट जावचे पयलीं एक बारीकशी मिटींग जाता हांगा. दॅट मिटींग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. त्या मिटींगेन तेंचे ठरता की आयज कोणचे खंयच्या लायनीक कोण बसतलो आनी कोण खंय आसतलो. हे सगळे प्लॅनिंग करून ते ग्रावंडार देंवताले. आनी ग्रावंडार इतके डिसिप्लीन ह्या भुरग्यांचे आसताले की विसरूं नाका. तेच्या उपरांत येतात प्लेयर. जे प्लेयर इतके टायमार येताले. खुबशे प्लेयरांक आमी वळखनासले, स्पेशली हांव बॅडमिंटनान कोणाक चडसो वळखनासलो, पूण आतां जी नांवां आसा अवधूत, अनिकेत, मनीश, करण, प्रतीक, अस्मित, अद्विक, मलायका, अंजना, नीता, ती येयली काय आमकां कळटलें हेंची मॅची आहा म्हणून. सिराज, यासीन आनी कोण ते आयुष आनी अनाथ. ही नांवां अशी इतकी पाठ जाली. हे आमकां कितें आमी गेन केलें तर हें केलें. सडन हांगा येतकूच पयलीं प्रदीप हरमलकर आसतालो गॅस्ट. तेच्या उपरांत थोडे आमी कॉल उडयताले गॅस्ट म्हणून. लास्ट लेट जाल्या उपरांत कोण आसनासले तर शिवराम आमकां म्हणटालो मातसो राव, गॅस्ट रावपाक जाय, थोडे सर्टिफिकेटी दिवपाक जाय, टॉस उडोवपाक जाय. अशें करून हो टुर्नामेंट फुडें पावलो. खरेंच एप्रिसिएशन करूं सारकें दिसता ह्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांचें. आयज आमी हांगा सगळे येयल्या. हांवें ताका सांगलें हांव ऑडियन्सान बसतलो, म्हाका फुडें नाका. कित्याक हांगाच्यान जी मजा आहा पळोवपाक ती थंयच्यान ना. आनी एक हांव नांव घेवंक सोदता. एवरी डे शॉप चालू थेव किंवा बंद थेव. मिस्टर सेलेस्टिन हो बेरेस्तार हांगा बायलेक घेवन आनी चेड्याक घेवन सुद्दां येवन बसलो. शॉप बंद. आय रियली एप्रिसिएट हिम. खरो ऑडियन्स तो. सर थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. असो टुर्नामेंट चलत येयलो म्हाका खबर. हांवें फक्त 5 मिनटां घेतलेली. हो टुर्नामेंट इतको बरो जालो. तर हेच्या फाटल्यान जो सगळे एफर्ट्स आसलो, एक्चुअली टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज करप सपोर्टेड बाय मायकल लोबो. पूण खरो हो टुर्नामेंट जर कोणी घडयलो, डिसिप्लीन ऑन ग्राउंड, सगळ्यांक फायरींग आनी एक कप ऑफ टी तितून वेलकम एवरी डे. येयल्या उपरांत आमकां एक कप ऑफ टी मेळटाली शिवरामा कडल्यान. तितून इतके बरे दिसताले भायर 50 रुपयाची च्या पूण 2 रुपयाची च्या सुद्धा इतके बरे दिसताले हांव शिवरामान च्या दिला ग्राउंडार च्या मेळ्ळी एक्चुअली हेच्या फाटल्यान सगळो जो एफर्ट्स आहा तो वन मॅन शो ह्या भुरग्यांक जर देव कोण तुमचो म्हणून विचारात आयज मायकल सर सांगात किंवा प्रदीप सांगात कोणी सांगात ते कोणाचेच आयकपाचें ना शिवरामान सांगून न्ही थंय वचून उबे राव ते सगळे चलोंक लागतले That is, he is the person. He is the real person behind this tournament. Respect for the players, respect for the audience, respect for the guests. Also respect अशे ऑर्गनायझेशन जर खंय दिता तर ते हांगा दिले आणि the man behind this success of this tournament is Shivram Parsekar. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish all you present here a very happy Republic Day. Present on the days, Minister for Ports, Sri Michael Lobo, the Kalangut Sarpanch, Sri Francis, Pradeep Bharmankar, Deputy Sarpanch of Parra, Srimati Sanjana Kurgaonkar, all our Panch members, and तुम्ही सगळे भुरगे and all gathered here. Today is the 20th death anniversary of my father-in-law, late Vincent Lobo, and in his remembrance, we are having this tournament, the finals of this badminton, all Goa badminton tournament today. चोडान चोड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा शिवराम रायकर, Shivram Parsekar, Mahesh Parsekar and his family and all the organizers who are helping him to take this event forward. May God bless you all. And आमचो पूरा football ground, for your information, almost ready. तेका आमी fencing घालतले very soon. And they are football, for all the football lovers. Your football ground should be ready in another 3-4 months. Sir? 2 months, yeah. As soon as the fencing is ready. So that is another feather in our cap. Amche Panchayat Ghar, almost in finishing stages. And 2 महिन्यांनी ते ready जावपाचे हा. So I acknowledge आमचो नंदेश रायकर. This is all a result of hard work, dedication and discipline. तुमच्याच कॅरियरान तुम्ही फुडें सरोंक सोदतात 3 important things: discipline, hard work and total dedication. The result is here, Nandesh Raikar. And you young boys and girls who are taking part, मुझे तुमचो प्रोफेशन जावं कितें तुमचे ड्रीम जावं, when you all put 100%, you all will get the result. You cannot be somewhere on the ledge. You have to reach that finishing mark. So I wish all the participants all the very best. आणि एक पावटी शिवराम पासेकर आणि त्याच्या फॅमिलीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.